Hi! Thanks for joining me again. Are you ready to draw something random? I guess I am. Otherwise I wouldn't be sitting here. I feel like drawing some punk today. And why not draw a girl this time? Then we can play with some eyeliners, nose rings, earrings, funny haircuts. So, I hope you're ready. Let's draw. I have a few ideas. Let's see. Let's start with a face. Face goes like this. Chin and jaw. And make the center of the face there. And I had an idea about doing someone with attitude. So they're gonna be standing like this. Let's see how that works. Well, that doesn't work. And I feel like the face might be a bit big. And then I feel like I want to zoom in a bit because I want to focus on the face. So let's see how this will work out. Her chest here. Well, I can already see I kind of placed her arms a bit funny. Luckily in Photoshop it's easy to just move around. Got her shoulders here. And we'll just erase a few of these lines here. This is what I was thinking of. Then we'll do some funny facial expression. Let's see here. Let's put a nose here. And I felt like doing one eye closed and the other eye open like this. And let's just get rid of a few of these lines so we can see what the hell we're doing. Well, she's kind of taking shape, as you can see. I feel like I made her a bit too wide. Sometimes you just gotta throw stuff together. And as you begin to see how it's connected, you just correct and correct and correct until it makes sense. So this is our initial, shall we call it, sketch. Now we can start working out our details. And let's give her a couple of ears. Eyebrows. Eyelashes. And I'm gonna really make black around at least this open eye. Because this punk girl is wearing a lot of eyeliner. And let's not forget the eyelashes over here. There we go. And then let's work a bit on the lips. Her lips should go down like this. And what about that ring on her lip, huh? It's probably something like this. Yeah. And nose, of course. Giving her a bit more definition on the shoulders. And we're getting there. Now, let's talk about her hair. I felt like doing more like a flat mohawk. That would look cool, right? How the hell are we gonna do that? Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change layers over here. I'm just gonna draw on top of this layer and I'm just gonna make a shape here. Let's just see how this works out. And I'm totally on unfamiliar territory here. I honestly hate doing hair, especially on a character I've never made before. But you should go something like this, right? Like Yeah, I think I would probably extend this bit and give her a bit more hairs laying down like this. Now this does not look good. What's wrong here? Maybe if you think about it and she has hair laying on top of her head, it would probably go around and then down. Right. That's not what I just drew. So it would go around and down. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's better. Okay, now this is all I wanted. I wanted her definition, her style of hair, and then I'm gonna move that layer down underneath the other layer, and now we can draw our real hair on top of this. Can just remove a few of these lines of the skull, you see? It's taking shape now. And then we have a few of these hairs going down. And I'm thinking, you know how it usually is. If you don't shave every day, you get these small hairs sticking out. She doesn't shave her head every day. She probably doesn't even shower every week. What do I know? I'm just a guy sitting in his room drawing and talking to a camera. Anyway, let's finish this hair. Want it to be a bit more messy. Maybe we could do like this. Yeah. Okay. Now that's hair. Let's finish her eye. There we go. It's easy today. Only one eye. Okay, what are we gonna do about her ears? She needs something. How about some big blob? And a ring up here. There we go. Now next question is, what kind of clothes should this woman wear? I was thinking a leather jacket with a lot of spikes on. There's still something wrong about her. Let's just 1 second. Yeah, I think it's the arms. Okay. Jacket. How the hell does a jacket like that look like? Well, underneath she has a shirt on. So let's start with the shirt. There we go. And our jacket will look like this. It is open. She has kind of an open collar on her jacket. Goes up like this. I was thinking a sleeveless jacket. Could put some of these spikes on that I was talking about. Just adding them over here. Yeah, exactly. Well, I kind of turned this jacket a bit funny and it's kind of hard to see these spikes that I was talking so much about. Yeah, I think we're getting there where we want her to be. And again, it's just all about how much do you want to spend on the details. How much time do you want to spend? And I mean, like, I wanted to add something more to that jacket, but I realize now that it does not have a lot of surface to actually add anything on. What could we do? Yeah, it's not completely done yet. Still wondering what we could do about her. How about a necklace? Just a string like this. Very simple. Nothing special. And what does a punk girl wear around her neck? I'm in deep waters here. I don't know. A skull. Of course a skull. What the hell are you thinking? There we go. Looks like a damn ghost, but I guess that works as well. Funny detail over here. You know what? I think we're done. And anyway, this video has been gone on long enough. What are you still doing here? I guess I'll see you next time, if I come up with something else to draw. And of course, if you have not subscribed yet to this channel, then this is the perfect chance to do so. You can count on a lot more stuff like this. Let me know what you think, and see you next time.